Hi, welcome to another episode of 15 Minutes with Sir Noni. Today, we explore the essential qualities that make a principal truly effective in the lens of the teachers. Our focus is on understanding what kind of leadership teachers need to thrive and perform their best. We'll dive into the skills, attitudes, and support systems principals must embody to foster positive and productive work environment in the school. Stay tuned as we uncover insights that benefit educators, administrators, and students alike. Teachers need principals who exhibit a combination of leadership skills, emotional intelligence, and a commitment to fostering a supportive and collaborative school environment to perform well. Now, leadership styles that support teacher performance, it matters. Principals who adopt a democratic and transformational leadership styles positively impact teachers' performance. Democratic principals involve their teachers in the decision making, communicate courteously, and delegate responsibilities effectively, which enhances teachers' motivation and engagement. Transformational leaders inspire and encourage teachers to teach their goals through positive reinforcement and a shared vision. Autocratic leaders, on the other hand, tends to have a less favorable effects unless applied situationally in some emergencies, while a less fair leadership often results in a less support and guidance for our teachers. Now, there are essential qualities and practices of principals that are effective. We know that teachers thrive under principals who get it. That is, understand the challenges teachers face, especially in under-resourced or high-need settings. These principals are strategic thinkers and planners who create clear vision and establish effective school-wide systems. They communicate consistently and clearly with staff and stakeholders, ensuring all members understand the school's goals. Crucially, principals act as instructional leaders, providing expert coaching and feedback tailored to the needs of the teachers. They build relationships based on trust, show professionalism, and foster an environment where teachers feel valued and supported. Principals with growth mindset model self-reflection and continuous learning, which positively influences teacher development. Building a positive school climate and collaboration again matters. Principals influence a productive school climate by helping teachers feel empowered and fostering a culture of safety, value, and respect. They use emotional and social intelligence to promote collaboration among teachers and support students and staff engagement. Setting up professional learning communities and ensuring time and resources for teacher collaboration is essential. Principals also manage the school strategically, aligning personnel and resources to support teaching and learning effectively, which contributes to improved teacher satisfaction and retention. Communication and emotional intelligence again matters. Effective communication by principals significantly influences teachers' performance and collaboration. Principals who communicate in supportive, reflective, and clear ways to motivate teachers to excel. Their tone and openness positively affect teachers' attitude and job satisfaction. On the other hand, emotional intelligence, including empathy, is critical for principals to build trust, resolve conflicts, and create a harmonious organizational structure. Principals with high emotional intelligence foster greater teacher commitment, motivation, and well-being, which translates into a better professional performance. Instructional leadership and professional support again can be looked into where principals are effective. Principals must serve as instructional leaders by guiding teachers in curriculum implementation, instructional strategies, and assessment. They provide ongoing professional development, mentorship, and constructive feedback based on classroom observation, helping teachers refine their practices. This support empowers teachers to plan, execute, and evaluate their teaching effectively, directly impacting student learning outcomes. So, teacher testimonials and practical leadership behaviors can be taken also into consideration. Teachers appreciate principals who provide mentorship, listen actively, recognize their accomplishment, and defend them publicly. Effective principals establish relationship with their difficult conversation about performance are or should have to be constructive. They create a positive culture by praising staff success, promoting growth, and maintaining open communication channels. Teachers describe great principals as supportive partners who foster professional growth and contribute to a healthy school climate. Now, in summary, teachers need principals who number one, practices democratic and transformational leadership that values teacher input and shared decision making. Principals who understand and strategically address the complex challenges facing teachers, and principals who exhibit emotional intelligence and empathy to build trust, alleviate stress, and boost teachers' morale. We also need principals that serve as instructional leaders that provides feedback that are tailored for the teacher, wherein he is coaching the teacher towards professional development. And a principal who foster a positive and collaborative school climate where teachers feel empowered, respected, and motivated. And those that communicate openly and effectively with staff, students, parents, and the community as a whole. So such principles create an environment conducive to teacher growth, resulting to job satisfaction, resulting to high performance, and ultimately benefiting the entire community. Now, what kind of principal are you? Teachers, what kind of principal do you have? Thank you for joining us in this insightful discussion about the kind of principals that empower teachers to excel. We've learned that strong leadership, empathy, and clear communication are key to creating a supportive school culture. Remember, when principals and teachers work together effectively, students are the true winners. Until next time, let's continue striving for leadership that inspires and uplifts every educator. Once again, thank you for joining us on 15 Minutes with Sir Noni. See you